Hi Tracey, great to see you this morning at the Wilderness Club. Just want to recap on what we worked on. So this is your first swing here on the left after warming up. So we can see obviously you wasn't hitting it quite as good as you should be. So let's have a look at why. So this all looks quite good so far. Okay, so we can see here swings starting. That'd be lovely if you stopped there, Tracey, but you can see you keep going, and we can see where the club head is there. It's way too long. You've got this sort of cupped wrist as well here at the top. I want to see that a bit more straight. And then from there, because of that, your club's going to work more on this sort of line. So we can see here, as you start down, the butt of the club's following that red line, which is what we call over the top. So when you are halfway down in your swing, look where the club head is. It's like literally way outside here. I mean, that frame there, the shaft should be there and the club head should be here. So very, very different to when I last saw you. So this is why you wasn't hitting it quite as good. And you obviously been hitting it well, but then obviously last couple of weeks things have been going slightly wrong. You can see here coming down because the club's working literally across it that way. You're going to miss hit it, and you didn't hit it very well. Lots of shots to the left. And you can see here you're trying to save the shot because the club face is open at that point there. So, and his legs kicking out, and just not very tidy for you, Tracey. So really easy. All I've got you this swing on the right, swing it shorter. The idea is to swing it shorter, and we can see there at the top of your swing, club's in a much better position. Left wrist is better, left arm's really good. From there, you're going to start as you come down. You're going to notice the shaft's now going to cut through your right forearm compared to this swing on the left. You remember that? If we come here halfway down, look at the difference in positions there. I mean, they're nothing like each other. Now, this swing here on the right, you can actually get behind the ball and start to attack it from the right-hand side. And you can see this head cover here on the floor. So from that position, really short backswing, all I've got you working on there is to feel like you can start the ball right at that head cover. You can see here you're coming in quite nicely. Keep an eye on your hands here. I think they work left a little bit too quickly. And I would like to see that you just extend the arms a little bit more down the right. Sort of encouraging that, get rid of these lines, sorry, encouraging that sort of shape, that little draw shape. So this is a very good swing on the right, and ball flight we can see is now lifting up, really, really good. Club face is great there, much better looking follow through, really, really good. So just one thing on setup, also we tried to square your shoulders. Remember your shoulders were open, so you have to feel like you tuck this arm around a little bit, and this right hip. You need to feel like you tuck that around as well. Just tuck them round, good. Short backswing, that gets the club tracking down on the inside there, and you just feel like your arms go away from you as you're trying to rotate the club face. The more you try and start the ball right, the more you need to start working on trying to close that club face. Okay, so we can see here as you're coming into the ball here, the club face is way, way open. Still open there, it still would be going a little bit to the right, and then you have to sort of flip it. There it is, now the face is closing, so you're getting that little draw. So I just want to see the club start, the ball start a little bit further right, Tracey, and then draw it. So really short swing, work on that. That gets the club tracking on the inside, release the club down the right hand side, all will be good. Really happy with the progression, great getting your handicap cut 3 shots, and I'll see you soon.